Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I did this hairstyle today. It's really simple and easy, as you guys will see in the video. But yeah, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will be posting more often. I've been posting like once a week, so that's pretty good. With all this quarantine going on, I have a lot of time. So yeah. If you guys are interested in how I get this hairstyle, then keep watching. Okay, so to start off, we're gonna brush our hair first to get rid of the tangles. And I did not wash my hair today because I washed it yesterday, so I didn't wash it today. And I think that it looks better when you don't wash your hair. The clips come out better. Okay, so next I'm gonna do it in sections. Possibly like 3 sections, maybe 4, because I have a lot of hair. So let's see. Okay, so the crimp that I'm using is the Bedhead Wave Artist, and I got this at Target for like 25 bucks. It was not bad at all. And the only downfall about it is that after a while, like, your hands get so sore using it. Like, you're constantly having to press down and press down at like every section that you do. So after you're done, your hand's gonna be like sore. So like, that's the only downfall about it. But I love this. This actually works pretty good. So then, usually I have a heat protectant, but I ran out. So I mean, if you have any heat protectant, spray it on your hair and then go ahead and, you know, get started. Okay, so let's get started with our first section. I usually grab like, I don't know, like this much right here. And then, so I'm gonna go like this. And I believe you can choose if you want it high or low. So it has like this little thing right here, and it's high or low, however high you want it or low. I personally like it like in the middle because I don't want it to burn my hair either. Okay, so let's go ahead and start it. So I start like right here. I don't go all the way up. So you press it down. You see how you have to press it down? After a while, your hand starts to hurt. You do the same. Go down. But I really do recommend this waver. It's really good. And then this is how it should look. So it's really easy. You just have to get the hang of it. But yeah, that's how it looks. So now let's do another section. And for me, it takes me a while because I have a lot of hair. But press it down, wait a couple seconds, then do the other. And then once again, go down. And you can leave it however long you want. It all depends how intense you want your waves to be, or your crimp hair to be. So then we have this right here. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see it. That's how it looks. Do another section. Again, just press down. Like, my hand is already starting to hurt because it's like plastic, and then you're pulling down like for, you know, get the whole hair. My hand's gonna be freaking sore, but it's worth it. And then that's how the this one looks. So yeah, I'll probably fast forward so you guys can see how I do most of it. Let me show you on this side. And this side. And this side's a little bit more difficult for some reason. Like, it doesn't come out exactly the same. But we'll see right now. And I'm sure this hairstyle looks really good on girls that have long hair too. If you have long hair, it's gonna look really nice too. Unfortunately, my hair right now is really short. Not short, but compared to how I had it. Okay, so this one actually came out pretty good. That's how that looks. Okay, so now I'm just gonna fast forward so you guys can see how I do it. Okay, so now that we've got to the very top, obviously you're gonna part it however you part it, in the middle or on the side. I usually part it on the side. I mean on the middle, sorry. In the middle. So then just go ahead and part it however you want. And okay, so then now I'm just okay, so then go ahead. And this is like, obviously you don't want to leave it for too long because obviously it's just a little bit of hair and it does it really fast. So grab another section again. Look how it looks. Obviously you can fix it as you go. Play around with it, you know? Okay. That's how it looks. I'm gonna go ahead and finish and then I'll Okay guys, so this is the finished look. So it should look something like this, and of course you can brush it through if you want it like more poofier. For me, if I do that, it's gonna look like a big ball of hair. So I mean, it doesn't look too bad. But yeah guys, I recommend this. It's really good. Even if you just want to have like a girls' night out, if you want to, you know, look super cute, or you want to go out on a date with your mans, you can. I mean, you can use this hairstyle for anything, any occasion. So yeah guys, I recommend. Like I said, I got this at Target for $25, which is not bad at all. Like I said, the only bad thing that I hate about it is like you have to constantly keep pressing down, and after a while your hand just gets really tired. But as you can see, it's like worth it. I mean, it looks really good. This is how it looks. So yeah guys, I recommend it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this little hair tutorial. I tried my best on showing you guys how I do it. Please don't forget to subscribe, show some love, hit the like button. Make sure to leave me a comment and telling me what else you guys want to see, any ideas or anything like that. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.